Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the morph transition in Canva when creating presentations. So let's start first by creating a presentation, or just maybe use a template. In Canva, the morph transition does not exist. Actually, no, it does, but in a different name. That's why maybe some of you would be like going to this video like, where the heck is the morph transition? Well, it's here actually. So let's just use a template. For example, let's use this English lesson template over here. Just apply it to all 13 pages, and then you click here on this 3 dots, then add transition, and it's this match and move one over here. So somehow if you do it, if you do present it, if you hit next, it might look like, oh no, that's just a fade. It's not a fade. It's not a fade, bro. It's just that, let's first, if you're trying to do a morph, then it should look the same way as the other. It's okay. So for example, this one, you want to morph this one, just move it up, or like whatever, just transfer these things wherever you want it to be, that, like that. Now let's see what happens now. Let's see. Next, as you can see, it does morph. That's it. That is how you can use the morph transition in Canva. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.